Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, we're going to be taking a closer look at the CYBERDOGS NFT. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. So please do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrencies out there. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe to watch more of such videos. All the links will be mentioned in the description box below. So today I'm going to take you through the document for CYBERDOGS, and it is an NFT that is yet to be launched, and that's why I wanted to introduce this project with you guys, because I want you to get hands on some of the good NFT projects, especially during the launch, because you can make a lot of profit eventually when the price goes up. It says that you are entering a light-filled capsule in space. The year is 2355 on Planet Andromeda. Professor Corso's time capsule experiment has reached its conclusion. The 48 purebred dogs have been kidnapped from Earth and shipped via autonomous planet lander to create their own planet of dogs. These dogs are different. They are known as CYBERDOGs. Using neurolinking technology and other advanced technologies, these CYBERDOGs have genius brain power, the stamina of the finest race horses, and these first version are the purest form of dogs ever created. These dogs were award-winning show dogs and working dogs in their field before the top secret program was crafted to freeze them and modify them for the time capsule. Planet Earth has ended, and the last ray of sunlight had pierced through your frozen capsule as you left the Earth. Now is the time to finish the thawing process and start building. Even with your small parcel of land, at least this is something. You hope that this can somehow help you explore, build, and maybe one day revisit Earth. Final signal transmitted to your capsule was a map, so maybe there are others. And CYBERDOGs are born with diverse utility. As the project evolves, they plan to add utility to this project. They start with OpenSea compatibility, so you can do racing, governance, membership, breeding, and all of that fun stuff. There are 48 legendary rare CYBERDOGs breeds and only 12 legendary rare total 24 male and female breeds that will be released in season 1. And there are 12,084 total CYBERDOGs at present, and that is the maximum supply of legendary rare and rare CYBERDOGs. The tier 1, which is 84 in total, male and female would be 48 breeds, and 1 of 1 legendary rare male and 1 of 1 legendary rare female. And tier 2 would be 12,000 total rare CYBERDOGs, male and female, into 5 variations into 48 breeds. So there will be 1 of 25 gold female, 1 of 25 gold male, 1 of 25 white male, white female, we have brown male, black female, gray male. So a lot of varieties of CYBERDOGs for you to choose from. And there will be annual governance voting that may occur to modify the requirements to build, and limit map spaces may also apply. So Bones has a maximum supply of $100 billion, and legendary rare CYBERDOGs and rare CYBERDOGs owners will not be required to pay for membership fees or any other special event fees. Membership fees may be collected in Bones from users who intend to play CYBERDOGs. Bones may also be used to buy accessories, weapons, power-up, and other game events. Bones may also be used during competitions as entry fees and tournament awards. Building and certain services in Planet Andromeda may require Bones. And Bones are not a financial instrument, are not designed to carry any type of value outside of CYBERDOGs. So let's take a quick look at the tokenomics. So for example, if CYBERDOGs are traded off platform, there will be additional 60 days cooling period for breeding and 30 days cooling period for racing. There is a 10% secondary sale transfer fee at CYBERDOGs, and 2% of these fees are stored in Game Developer Fund. A portion of the fees goes back to helping the dog shelter back on planet Earth, and each Bones token would carry 1 vote. So in terms of the roadmap of the company, the pre-sale will be for the whitelist, which is already live as of this moment while we are filming this video. So it went live on 12th of December 2021 at 12 o'clock UTC, and 1 legendary rare CYBERDOGs starts a 7-day auction, and all land units would go on sale. A limited selection of rare breeds would go on sale on this date, and eventually the public sale goes live on 13th of December at 12 o'clock, and then the breeding would begin in February 2022, and interbreeding with lab designed custom 1 of 1 offspring. And then the racing would begin on March of 2022, where there will be raced against the other dogs in a multiplayer or PvP arena, and game will run on Solana. And then on March 2022, CyberDogs AR trainer would be there. So you can level up your CyberDogs by feeding, playing, training them with a mobile app. And then in the May of 2022, there will be CyberDogs market. So life can get in the way, and that's why you're going to hire a trainer to take care of your CyberDogs and prepare them for the next season's race. By June of 2022, there will be space battles, and you can suit your CyberDogs up and load up your spaceship for some multiplayer action. By the May of 2022, there will be governance. So you can hire a trainer so you can take care of your CyberDogs for the next season's race. You can also click over here to join the Discord. Just click accept invite and you will be involved with the community, and you will know eventually what everybody is doing, how the project is performing. It's a good way to stay updated about new establishments from time to time. CYBERDOGS is already live, and these are these authentic 3D arts that you can purchase and eventually sell it when the price goes up. Like I already mentioned, the whitelist is already live, and it is only live for whitelisted users over here. So overall, this looks like a quite interesting project, and I'm really excited to see how the trainer AR app comes out and how things turn out. If the NFT really becomes popular and in trend, more people will be interested to learn about it, and it will give you an opportunity to make a lot of money if you bought some of these NFTs right now. So I really wanted to introduce you guys to this project because I do feel it has a potential and it's worth checking out because it's in its very early stages. So all the links are mentioned in the description box below. Feel free to check them out. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys really have a lovely day ahead, and I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care.